So hey boys and girls, how's everybody doing? Q here. Hey, I don't know if you follow the channel, you might remember I had that fancy Skydio drone that flew away. In fact, it flew away in these very woods that you see here. But I had it flew away, and to Skydio's credit, when I disputed the charge on my credit card, Skydio didn't fight it. They gave me my $1,400 back, which was good, and they should do that in my opinion. But then once they did that, I wasn't flying anymore. I just got kind of sick of the whole thing. But then I have a buddy who has a business, and he said, "Hey, you still got a drone? You know, I could use somebody to film something for a restaurant." And I said, "Yeah, sure. I still got a drone." I'd kind of forgotten that I had a Hubsan Zino Pro. So I took the Hubsan out today, just to experiment a little bit, see what I could do with it. And of course, I'm scared to death of running it into a tree or having it too low. A car comes by and hits it, God knows. But anyway, I tried it stationary, drove away, drove towards it. It wasn't too bad. Then I remembered it actually has a follow me a feature to it, but you can see here, I drove away and it didn't follow me. And so then I stopped and I turned around and I drove away again. And it tries, you can see it moving, it's trying to follow me, but it didn't follow me. Anyway, I think if I lower it, if I widen that angle, get more of the road, I can get some nice drone footage. So that's it, boys and girls. More drone stuff to come. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.